Welcome to TutorialShore. Today's rate the tutorial video. I will try Python client for Redis. This is a Redis website. This is a Python guide page. Connect your Python application to a Redis database. Install Redis and the Redis client. Then connect your Python application to a Redis database. Okay, I will use Docker to run a Redis server. So here you can see that on Docker running, it is setting the port 6379 and it is using the Redis-stack image. Okay, let me check Redis running or not. Ping pong. Okay, everything fine. Now Redis server is up. Now what is the next? Redis-py. Get started with the Redis py client for Redis. Redis-py requires a running Redis or Redis stack server. See getting started for Redis installation instructions. Now install Redis-py. So basically we are installing the Redis using the pip. So I will do one thing. I will create a directory here, Python Redis. Inside this I will create a virtual environment. Python virtual environment module. It will create a virtual environment here in this directory. Okay, now I will activate the virtual environment. Okay, now virtual environment activated. Now what is the next? Next is a pip install Redis. Pip install Redis. Okay, installed. Next, for faster performance, install Redis with the high Redis support. This provides a compiled response parser and for most cases requires zero code changes. Okay, I don't need this for faster performance. I will skip that part. Next is a connect. Connect to localhost on port 6379. Set a value in Redis and retrieve it. All responses are returned as bytes in Python. To receive decode string, set decode responses true. Okay, here creating a Redis connection using redis.redis by passing host port and decode responses as true. I will okay, for that I need to open Python interactive shell. User 1 attempting to work in a virtual environment. If you encounter problem, please install IPython inside the virtual environment. Okay, I will do one thing. I will install the IPython inside the virtual environment. IPython. Okay, done. You are still getting that error. Maybe I should not use IPython 3. Okay, that's correct. Okay, now I need to use before that I need to import the Redis library. R equal to Redis dot, oh, you can see host to localhost. Now we need to specify the decoded responses true. Decoded response decoded, no, it's decode responses. Okay. Now we got the R, it got connected. Next is store and retrieve a simple string, r dot set foo bar r dot get retrieving. Okay, first I will set a key. Foo is a key and bar is a value. Okay, successfully set a key value. Now I will retrieve that one. R dot get key is foo. Okay, success. What is the next? Store and retrieve a dictionary. Here r dot h set using, earlier we used r dot set, and passing a key user hyphen session colon 123, then passing the value JSON with by using the keyword argument mapping. Okay, we'll try with that one. R dot h set user 123. Here mapping name is oyster, age 8. We'll close this one. Now I need to retrieve. Let me check it how to retrieve that one. R dot h get all and pass a key. Okay, r dot get h get all is rolled. Okay, now we got the we initially we set that a key user colon 123, and we set a dictionary as a value, then we retrieved here and we got that value. Everything is perfect. Now connected to a Redis cluster. We don't have a Redis cluster, so I will skip that part. Next is connect to your production Redis with TLS. Yeah, I don't have a production now. I will skip that part also. Next is an example, indexing and querying JSON documents. Make sure that you have Redis stack and Redis py installed. Import dependencies. There are a lot of import is there. I am not sure what it is. Anyway, I will go ahead and copy paste. Okay, connected to your Redis database. I think I already have that. Okay, I will connect again. Okay, done. Let's create some data to add to your database. Okay, it's basically a 3 user data. I will copy directly. Okay, next, define indexed fields and their data types using schema. Use JSON path expression to map specific JSON elements to the schema fields. Okay, basically we are specifying schema. Here we have 3 fields: text field, tag field, numeric field. Text field is for string. Tag field I'm not sure. Tag maybe, what is it? They use this city here. City, not sure what is it. Maybe tagging, no idea. Anyway, this is a schema is representing JSON path expression. This is so to map specific JSON elements to the schema fields. Okay, this is a schema field. Schema name, city, and age is there. So this will map with the JSON field here. Here it will specify JSON field. Anyway, I will copy and execute. Okay, create an index. In this example, all JSON documents with the key prefix user colon will be indexed for more information. Okay, here basically we are creating an index r.ft. I'm not sure what is ft stands for. Maybe idx. Okay, it's an index name. I assume it's an index name. then we are creating that index. Here you need to specify the schema. Then not sure what is this. Okay, we specify the prefix, keys prefix. What is the prefix of a key? That key will be used for indexing. Index type is index type .json. I have no idea either. I will go ahead and copy paste this. Next, use json.set to set each user value as a specific path. Okay, using json.set, I'm not sure why they don't use hset here. They are using json.set. I have no idea why they didn't explain that one here. So passing a key, then some path dot root underscore path, I don't know what is that, then user one. This is the dictionary. Anyway, it's basically setting 3 user data. Okay, next let us find user Paul and filter the result by age. Paul is there. Paul John, Paul Zamir. Okay, here rs.search query Paul at age 30 to 40. I assume that one is the range of the age. What is the first Paul? 42 years old. He won't be included there. The other is 35. Okay, I will copy paste. Then it should get a second Paul. We should get a second Paul. We didn't get any. Why? Here showing that on Paul Zamir. Okay, we'll do one thing. I will remove this part. Let me check whether Paul will get any value. Need to specify some. Okay, I need to print the rest. They didn't show that one here. Basically, I need to. Okay, now you can see that when we go to 2 data, how to print the pretty printing, something is there, nothing is there. Anyway, here first Paul user 1 and second Paul user 3. Okay, we got 2. Let us try with age 30 to 40. Now I will print the rest. Yeah, you can see that here second Paul only we got, because he is the person in between 30 to 40 years old. Query using JSON path expressions. Query Paul, we will get a 2 Paul. Return field city as city. I am not sure what is this one. Using JS path expression. That's same thing here done, right? Path expression also. I didn't understand what is the difference here. Okay, now it is we got only few data, we didn't get all the data. Okay, I'll do one thing. You need to tell we need age, and here age capital letter I'm using. Okay, so basically retrieving the records based on the querying Paul, you will get 2 records. Then it will telling that retrieve this field and name it as age. Maybe this ID will be by default, it will come even if you are not specifying here in the return field. Payload may be that also default. After that you have to decide. So return field, can we specify multiple fields? Will it is allow list here? No, syntax is wrong. I think you need to specify with the tuple. It should be inside tuple. No, return field I have no idea. I will skip that one. I don't know how to specify multiple field there. I will leave that one now. Next, aggregate your result using AFT aggregate. I will just, I'm not sure, aggregate request group by city, and yeah, some aggregation. I'm not going to execute this one anyway. It is ended here. Okay. This tutorial was good. Got a good idea about how to use a Python client for Redis, and the basic functionality like setting a key and retrieving that key. It was it is very easy, and setting dictionary also is very easy. But I am not sure why they chose another method. Why not use setter itself there? I have no idea why two methods. And yeah, this actual example was a bit complicated, and they didn't explain each field. What is this field? For example, it was difficult. What is a tag field means? I have no idea. The other, we can assume that when it's just like in database, a text field will be there, numerical field will be there, but tag field, I have no idea what is that one. Maybe enum fields, I have no idea. Anyway, I will give a 4-star review. Good introduction, good introduction. Should have more details in the example section. That's all. Thank you for watching.